Hello friends, in Maths chapter 5, continuity and differentiability, we'll see now logarithmic differentiation. So logarithmic differentiation is defined for y equals to bx raised to ux, means on the variable raised to some another function is given. So we apply the log, then log y equals to ux into log bx. This we know that in the logarithm we can take the power and multiply into the front. And so now we differentiate with respect to x, then it will be 1 by y divided by dx is equals to ux into bx derivative will be 1 by bx plus log bx as it is, and ux derivative will be u dash x, and here by chain rule bx derivative will be b dash x plus, and so we can write that ux by bx into b dash x plus log b of x into u dash x, and so divided by dx is equal to, final answer we will have y into ux by bx into b dash x plus log of bx into u dash x. Let's see some examples of logarithmic differentiation. So we have the example 30, y equals to under root x minus 3x square plus 4, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So by applying chain rule directly we differentiate, then we get the answer, but it is very longer and confusing. But we know that now log we apply, then it will convert, multiplication will convert addition and division will convert in subtraction and will become easy. So we apply log y. So here root is the 1 by 2 power and 1 by power will be written in front. So 1 by 2 log x minus 3. Now multiplication is there. So plus log x square plus 4 and division is there. So minus log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now differentiating with respect to x both the side. Then log y derivative will be 1 by y divided by dx. 1 by 2 as it is. Log x minus 3 differentiation 1 by x minus 3. Log x square plus 4 differentiation 1 by x square plus 4 and x square plus 4 differentiation 2x, and log 3x square plus 4x plus 5 differentiation 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and 3x square plus 4x plus 5 differentiation is the 6x plus 4. And so we have the answer y. We take another side, y by 2 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x upon x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So y value is obtained from the question. Then final answer we have 1 by 2 under root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now example 31 we have y equals to a raised to x. So again we apply the log both the side. Then log y equals to x into log a. Now we differentiate with respect to x, then log y differentiation 1 by y, and with respect to divided by dx equals to log a. And so y divided by dx equals to y log a. Y value is the a raised to x, so it is a raised to x log a. Example 32 we have y equals to x raised to sin x. So we apply the log, then log y equals to sin x log x. Now with respect to x we take the differentiation, then log differentiation 1 by y and y differentiation with respect to x. Divided by dx is sin x into log x. So we apply the multiply rule. So sin x differentiation of log x plus log x differentiation of sin x, and so y we take the other side, so y is differentiation with respect to x is equals to y sin x upon 1 log x differentiation 1 upon x to sin x upon x plus log x and sin x differentiation cos x, and y value we submit x raised to sin x upon x plus log x into cos x. Now here we multiply inside, so power base are same, then power will be minus, and so x raised to sin x minus 1 into sin x plus x raised to sin x into cos x plus into log x. Now we will see the differentiation of y raised to x plus x raised to y plus x raised to x equals to a raised to b. So here these three functions are very complicated, so to make it simple, u equals to y raised to x, b equals to x raised to y, and w equals to x raised to x we take. Then we get u plus b plus w equals to a raised to b. Now we differentiation take with respect to x, and du by dx plus du by dx plus dw by dx equals to 0. So for du by dx we have u equals to y raised to x, so we apply the logarithmic function, and log u equals to x log y, and so log by differentiation 1 by u du by dx, and in multiply to we apply the x differentiation 1 log y as it is, log y differentiation x upon y, and x upon y differentiation dy by dx. And so u we take another side, so u log y plus x by y dy by dx equals to y raised to u value y raised to x log y plus x by y dy by dx. Now for dv by dx, v equals to x raised to y, and so we apply the log v equals to y log x, and so we take the differentiation in 1 by v dv by dx equals to, here multiply will be apply the log x as it is, y differentiation dy by dx plus y as it is, log x differentiation 1 by x, and so we have dy by dx equals to b into log x upon into dy by dx plus y by x, and so it will be x raised to y log x dy by dx plus y by x. Now for dw by dx we have w equals to x raised to x, so log w equals to x log x, so 1 by w equals to dw by dx, so 1 plus log x into 1 by x, so x cancels, so w plus 1 by 1 plus log x, and so w value x raised to x 1 plus log x. This differentiation we will keep in mind x raised to x as x raised to x formula. Whenever x raised to x we will get, then we will write x raised to x into 1 plus log x in differentiation. Now from 1 here we have du plus dx plus du by dx plus dw by dx equals to 0. So all these three answer du by dx, du by dx and dw by dx we write here. So y raised to x log y plus y raised to x into x by y dy by dx, x raised to y log x dy by dx, and x raised to y into y by x raised to x 1 plus log x equals to 0. So here y raised to x into x by y, so that can be written as y raised to x log y. Now here from here x raised to y upon x, that will be x raised to y minus 1 into y plus x raised to x 1 plus log x, and this dy by dx both the terms we take the other side. Also y raised to x upon y equals to y raised to x minus 1 into x plus x raised to y log x dy by dx, and we have taken another side, so into minus 1, and so this term we write in the denominator, then minus y raised to x log y by x into y raised to x raised to y minus 1 into y plus x raised to x 1 plus log x upon y raised to x minus 1 into x plus x raised to y log x. Now we will see the solution of exercise 5.5. So question 1 we have y equals to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x into the multiplication form. So to make it easy we apply the log on both sides, and log y equals to log cos x, as we know the multiplication converting addition, and so plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Now we apply the differentiation, then 1 upon y dy by dx. Here log cos x differentiation 1 upon cos x, and cos x differentiation minus sin x. Log cos 2x differentiation 1 upon cos 2x, cos 2x differentiation minus sin into x differentiation 2. Same way log cos 3x differentiation here 1 upon cos 3x, so 1 into, and here then cos 3x minus sin 3x, and 3x differentiation is 3. And so y we take on the side, so minus and minus sign from each we take out common, and minus y sin x upon cos x tan x, sin 2x upon cos 2x tan 2x, and sin 3x upon cos 3x tan 3x. And so the final answer we have minus y into tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus tan 3x. Now we have the second question, y equals to under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 5. So again we apply the logarithmic function. The log y equals to root is there, so 1 by 2 log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. Now division is also power 5, minus will be there, so log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. And so 1 by 2 log differentiation 1 by x minus 1 log x minus 2 differentiation 1 by x minus 2 log x minus 3 differentiation 1 by x minus 3 log x minus 4 differentiation 1 by x minus 4, and log x minus 5 differentiation 1 by x minus 5, and these three remains the minus sign. And so it will be y we take as the side, so y by 2 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2, then minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4, and minus 1 by x minus 5. Now third question we have y equals to log x raised to cos x. So log y equal, we apply the log function, and log y equals to cos x into log of log x. So here log y differentiation 1 by y divided by dx, cos x differentiation minus sin x, and log of log x as it is, and cos x as it is, log of log x differentiation log. Here log of log x differentiation 1 by log x, and log x differentiation 1 by x, so it is 1 by x log x. And so we take y on the side, so we have the answer y equal to minus sin x log of log x plus cos x into x log x. Then we pause question, we have y equals to x is to x minus 2 is to sin x. So divide by dx, x is to x, already we have studied the differentiation, that x is to x into 1 plus log x by minus 2 is to sin x differentiation. So 2 is to x differentiation, we know that 2 is to x log 2, so it is 2 is to sin x differentiation, 2 is to sin x log 2, and sin x differentiation by chain rule. And so we have final answer x is to x over minus plus log x minus 2 is to sin x differentiation cos x into log 2. We have the fifth question, y equals to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, and x plus 5 whole raised to 4. So we apply the logarithmic function, then log y equals to 2 log x plus 3, 3 log x plus 4, 4 log x plus 5. And so 1 upon 5 divided by dx equals to 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. And so divided by dx equals to y into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. Now sixth question we have y raised to equals to x plus 1 by x raised to x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. So to make a easy sum we take x plus 1 by x raised to x equals to u, and v equals to x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. So y equals to u plus v, then dy by dx equals to du by dx plus du by dx. And so u with respect to x we take the differentiation. Then for that u equals to x plus 1 by x is to x, so we take the log function, then log u equals to x log x plus 1 by x. So 1 by u du by dx, x as it is, log differentiation 1 by x plus 1 by x, and x differentiation 1 by x differentiation 1 by x square, plus log x plus 1 by x as it is, x differentiation 1. So now du by dx and u we take another side. Now we take the LCM here, so x square plus 1 denominator, and x will go up, so x square. Here also we take the LCM, x square minus 1 upon x square log x plus 1 by x square. So x square cancel. And so the answer we have x plus 1 by x is 2x. X square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. Now similarly for the we find out dy by dx, then b equals to x is to 1 plus 1 upon x. So we apply the log, then log b equals to 1 upon plus 1 by x into log x. So it will be 1 by b dv by dx, x plus 1 by x as it is, log x differentiation 1 by x, log x as it is, x 1 differentiation 0 and 1 by x differentiation is the minus 1 by x square. So dy by dx equals to d take we are on the other side and b here we take the assumption so x square plus 1 by x square minus log x by x square. And so we have dy by dx answer x into 1 raised to 1 plus 1 by x, x square plus 1 minus log x by x square. Now both the answer we write into the addition format, then we have the final answer x plus 1 by x is to x, x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x, x square plus 1 minus log x by x square. Now seventh question here, y equals to log x is to x plus x is to log x. So u equals to log x is to x and v equals to x is to log x we take, then y equals to u plus v, and dy by dx equals to du by dx plus du by dx. So for du by dx u equals to log x is to x, so we apply the log function, then log u equals to x of x into log of log x. Now we take the differentiation with respect to x, then log u differentiation 1 by u du by dx, x as it is log of log x differentiation 1 by x log x, log of log x as it is x differentiation 1, and so here x cancels, so du by dx is equal to u into 1 by log x plus log of log x. So u value to substitute, then log of x is to x 1 by log x plus log of log x. Now for v du by dx v equals to x log x, we apply the log, then log v equals to log x into log x which is log x square. So 1 by v dv by dx equals to we apply the power rule, then 2 log x and log x differentiation 1 by x, so it is 2 log x by x and into v. So v value to submit, then it will be 2 into x is to log x into log x by x, and so the final answer we have log x is to x plus 1 by log x plus log of log x plus 2x is to log x into log x by x. Now 8th question we have y equals to sin x is to x plus sin inverse root x. So u equals to sin x is to x we take, v equals to sin inverse root x we take, and y equals to u plus v, then dy by dx equals to du by dx plus du by dx. And so du by dx and u equals to sin x is to x. So we apply the log, then log u equals to x log sin x, and so we take the differentiation with respect to x, and 1 by u du by dx, x as it is log sin x differentiation 1 by sin x and sin x differentiation cos x plus x log sin x as it is x differentiation 1, so it is log sin x. Now here cos x by sin x is the cot x, so and u we take another step, so u into x plus cot x plus log sin x, and so u value to substitute sin x is to x, x cot x plus log sin x. Now for dv by dx v equals to sin inverse root x, so we know that sin inverse their differentiation 1 by 1 minus x square, so root x square will be x, and so it is 1 minus 1 x, and here root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x, so 2 as it is and root x multiplied with 1 minus something, it is x minus x square. These both the answer we write into the addition form, then we get the final answer sin x is to x, x cot x plus log sin x plus 1 by 2 under x minus x square.